Every single time I'm pregnant, my gums get very, very sore and irritated very quickly. So today I needed to make myself a mouthwash that would help with this. I'm going to be using Roman chamomile, and I like this for a variety of reasons, but mainly because it's antiseptic, bactericidal, acidic, and anti-inflammatory. And then I'm also going to be using some sage. The sage also has some similar properties. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and antiseptic, and an astringent. I should also mention that even though I keep these in my herb garden, I don't keep them for teas. I really don't like the taste of chamomile tea or sage tea, but it helps with my gums so much I'll bear it for a few seconds in the morning and the evening because it makes such a big difference to how sore and sensitive my gums are feeling. I could simmer in a pot, but I don't like doing that just because it makes the taste even more intense. So instead what I like to do is wash the leaves, put about 6 leaves of sage, and then a similar amount, maybe 6, 8 of the flower heads of the chamomile. I like to add a tiny bit of cold water first, and then I'll pour the hot water on top. I don't like pouring hot water straight onto it because I find it makes the taste a little bit kind of like it's been burnt. If I add a bit of water, it's much more of a milder taste, which I prefer, and then I will just leave that to sit until it's cooled down. Alternatively, if I need to make something like nappy water for my son, if he's suffering from nappy rash, at the moment with the heat, he's not hugely happy, so he has been getting nappy rash, and I wanted something which would be a little bit stronger than rosemary water, which is what I normally use on the rare occasions that he has nappy rash. So I'll add quite a few leaves, quite a few heads of chamomile. I'll let this simmer, don't let it boil. As soon as you start to see steam rising, just turn it off, let it cool down. Same with the mouthwash, once it's cooled down you can use it, though you might want to wait for it to have cooled down completely. The taste is quite a lot more intense while it's warm. Once it's cooled down, it's not so bad. I know some people would probably drink from the bottle. I don't, just in case someone else wants to use it as well, like my husband. So instead what I do is I keep a shot glass in the bathroom, I'll pour out what I need, gargle it in the morning and in the evening as well, try and ignore the taste, and then I'll spit it out and have a tea that actually tastes nice. As for the nappy water, I'll just pour that out once it's been sat there for about 20 minutes, and then I can start using it right away. I'll either put this in a spray bottle or just in the nappy water dish that I keep on the side. This will normally last 2 or 3 days, so not enough time for it to go off, but I wouldn't keep this for more than 5 days without making a new batch. If you like my content and want to follow me on Patreon, that's where you can find my early content, extra content, and see the thought process behind things like my books, cover designs, videos, and artwork. You can also find me on Instagram, but the best place to follow me and make sure that all my new content is sent directly to you is through my website and the mailing list. On the top right hand corner, you put your name, the email you want your new content to be sent to, and that's it. You're done.